Welcome to Join Brain Fitness. Today we're making a high protein cake. The entire cake is 114 grams of protein. But before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Now, the last few months, I've been on a high protein diet. I've lost 17 pounds. And at the same time, I've lost mostly fat and gained muscle at the same time, according to my scale. Now for the ingredients list, most of the protein is going to come from a King Arthur flour. And before we begin, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Then once you do that, we're going to combine all the ingredients except the flour and mix that in until it's nice and uniform. And once that's uniform, then we're going to add the flour and mix that in. Now this batter does get pretty tough, so you may have to hold the bowl against your chest, but once that's mixed in, you can drop it straight into the baking pan and pat it down evenly. Now the deeper the pan, the more it has to bake, but we're going to bake this at 350 degrees for 40 to 45 minutes if it's a smaller pan and deeper pan. Now at the end, I like to sprinkle some powdered sugar, make it a little bit sweeter. And this is how it looks. Now this recipe makes about 5 servings, so that's about 23 grams of protein per slice of cake. So let's give it a taste. Tastes good. Thumbs up. A good simple dessert. Let me know in the comments below if you want to try a recipe like this. Until next time, stay fit, my friends.